Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is forensic scientists from time to time must to reconstruct the DNA profile for a missing person from analysis of the DNA profiles of close relatives. In this case, a mother of 4 children is missing. All children have the same biological father. Results from a single locus probe DNA fingerprint analysis for the 4 children and their father are shown in the figure. Unfortunately, the forensic scientists forgot to label the lane with the father's DNA. Nevertheless, you are able to deduce that the alleles of the missing mother are, and you have to choose one of these answers. Let's take a look what we see here. First of all, here have to be one father of the children and 4 genotypes of the children. Our first step would be to find genotype of the father and which alleles this father contributed, and then we would be able to say which alleles were contributed from the mother side. And our first hypothesis would be that in the line 1, this is going to be genotype of the father. Let's check if this could be a father of all the rest. So we assume that this is going to be children of this male. For example, in line 2, we see the same band as in father genotype. So this male of this genotype can be a father of this child number 2. Now let's take a look at line 3. And again, we see one band here, which is the same as in father genotype. So person number 1 can be a father of person number 3. Line 4, again, we see that the same band is present, and in line 5 we see again that child number 5 has the same band as the father or proposed father. So let's circle number 1 as person who can contribute his alleles, and all these 4 children would be his biological children. But let's check if any other genotypes present here also can be considered a father of the rest, biological father of the rest. For example, if we analyze line 2, here is a genotype. Can this person be biological father of the person number 1? Yes, because they share the same band, the same size allele. Can person number 2 be biological father of the person number 3? Yes, because they share same size allele. And can person number 2 be biological father of the person number 4? Yes, they share same allele. And now let's compare with person 5, and we can say that person number 2 cannot be a father of the person 5 because they don't share alleles. Now let's check person number 3 if this person can be a father of the rest. For example, with child number 2, he shares one allele. With child number 1, he shares also allele C. And with child number 4, he doesn't share any alleles, not A, nor C. So we can say that this person cannot be father of all the children, so we exclude this person as possible father. Now let's check person number 4. Can this person be a father of the rest? For example, with the child number 5, he shares one allele D, and with child number 3, he doesn't share any allele, no B, no D. So this person number 4 cannot be a father of all the children. So now let's check the last variant. Can person number 5 be a father of the rest? So with child number 4, he shares one band. With child number 3, he shares one band. But with child number 2, he doesn't share no C, no D allele, because child number 2 has allele A and P. So now we know for sure that only person number 1 here can be a father of the rest, and all the rest would be his 4 children. Now we can say that genotype of the father is B and C, so he has allele B and allele C. and genotype of the mother have to be A and D. So mother has two alleles, A and D. Her genotype is not present here, but we can see her genotype, one of the alleles present in each child. For example, child number 2 got one allele from the mother side, another allele from the father side. Child number 3 got one allele from the mother side, another allele from the father side. Child number 4 got one allele from the mother side, which is D, and another allele from the father side, which is B. And child number 5 got one allele from the mother side, allele D, and another allele C got from the father side. So we use reverse engineering to find that genotype of the mother have to be, for this locus, answer E, A and D alleles. And this is all for today. Thank you for attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.